Slide number 39. Compound time signatures. Why it's called compound time signatures? As we learned 2 by 4, 4 by 4, they are divisible. But 9 by 8, 6 by 8, 3 by 4, they are not simple times. They are all compound because you can't divide them. But you can group them like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 like that. So for this lesson, this slide will explain you what 6 indicates for. It's a quiver beats in every how many 6. So how we can understand? You can see small picture there. The crotchet will take 2 beats, quiver will take 1 beat. That's it. So if you place a dot by the side of a crotchet, it carries half of the crotchet. So the quiver is added to that. So 3 beats a dotted crotchet will represent, and the crotchet will represent 2 beats, and 1 beat will be a quiver note with a single tail, and 2 tails is called semiquiver. So that becomes the end. So if you see the last bottom, how the grouping is been described there, how to play that. Suppose you take a E note and play one note only. E, 2, 3 over first portion of the crotchet dotted. E, 2 over E, that's it. So we played E, 2, 3, E, 2, E. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Bar number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1 is a quiver, 2 is a quiver, 3 is a quiver, 4 is a quiver, 5 and is a semiquiver, 6 is a quiver. So how would you play that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Over. So easy to understand. Next we are going to play 1 for the first quiver, 2, 3 we won't play because it's a crotchet, then 4 quiver, 5 quiver, 6 2 notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so that's the part number 3. So you're able to understand how you can play songs from 6, 8. Last one, the 1, 2, 3 has been grouped together in terms of 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4, 5, 6 is a dotted crotchet. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. So that's how you play the last one. So 3 beats into 6 notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and so that is the quavers. Then 4, 5, 6. Now if you play complete, you will know how you can play the song so easily. Any song from that, any permutation combination you will be able to play. So E, 2, 3, E, 2, E, 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 3, E, 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 over. That's so simple, so easy.